Hey there, JVs, John Leonard here, and in this video I'm going to show you how Affiliate Rocket works and what the back end looks like. So you have your tabs up here, and those are pretty self-explanatory. But we're going to get right into creating a new timer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a countdown timer that's going to overlay on another web page. And the cool thing about the Affiliate Rocket plugin is that the cloaked link is your URL. So whatever URL that you have the plugin installed on, that's going to be the cloaked link. So you don't have to worry about a third-party link and it's driving traffic to your website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to name the timer, and I'm just going to call it demo. And then for the display URL, I'm going to use the WP Affiliate Rocket early bird registration page. So I'm just going to copy that link and I'm going to put it in here. Now the end URL is the URL that is going to be redirected to when the countdown timer ends. So if I go to the page and the countdown timer runs out, it's going to forward me to a URL where I can't get the deal anymore, and that's going to be a page that you create on your WordPress site or another site on the internet. But I'm just going to put, for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to put the same URL. Now you have a choice with your counter. You can have an evergreen countdown or you can have an absolute end time. The evergreen countdown is the certain amount of days, hours, or minutes that you want to use for the countdown, or you can have a date where it's going to end. So I'm going to use the date, and I'm going to put the launch date for the plugin, which is September 19th at 11 a.m. And I'm going to click done. Now you're going to choose your timer style. Now you have 8 different timers to choose from, 4 white style and 4 black style. So I'm going to put this on a black background. So I'm going to choose the slide white. I'm going to choose to show days. Now you can choose, it's up to you if you want to show the shadow of the counter or not. And if you unclick the show days, it will take away the day field. So if you're doing an hour or minute countdown timer, then you don't have to show 0 on the days. Now we're going to upload an image. Now this can be a call to action image or just an image telling people what's going on. So I'm going to choose this one and insert that into post. Now that's in there. Now I'm not going to put a link on it, so I'm going to leave the link black. Now to choose the color for the banner background, there's a color picker here, and I'm just going to choose the black. Okay. Now we'll go black here. And then we have to create a page. So instead of going all the way back into creating pages in the old-fashioned WordPress, I've added a create page button here. So all you do is create page. I'm just going to call this demo and then click create new page. And then you'll see demo pops up down here. So now that page is created. Now all we have to do is add timer, and it's done. Now you'll see up here all your timers that you create, and you can edit them, you can view them, or you can delete them. It tells you what template you're using. It can tell you the page name. It'll tell you if you have a shadow or not. It'll tell you your timer style, and it'll tell you the end date. So to test this out, we're just going to go back over here, and I'm just going to put /demo because that's what we called it, and I'll hit enter. And you'll notice now at the bottom we got a nice countdown timer that says 14 days, 15 hours, 1 minute, and 44 seconds until launch. Now when that timer runs out, it's going to forward to whatever we set it to go to, and we just set it for the same page for demonstration purposes. But you'll see the image there. Now you can put a call to action button here with a direct buy link to the checkout page, if that's what you want. Now how easy is it to change this up? So if I want to change this, I'll go back to edit. Now if I want to put on, say I want to change the color here, and I want to make it a more of a gray color. So I'm going to slide that up, make it more of a gray color. Then if I want to change the image, so change the image, we'll put the call to action white there. Insert into post. And then if I want to change the countdown timer to crystal, let's change it to crystal black, and then we'll update the timer. Now we'll go back to our page, hit refresh, and you'll see that everything has changed down here. We have a black crystal timer, and there's our new call to action button. So it's really that simple. It's a super powerful plugin because no matter where you are on this page, you always have the urgency and the direct call to action, whether there's a buy button on the page or not. So this is the demo for WP Affiliate Rocket. It's a super powerful plugin for affiliate sales, and as well if you're doing your own product launches or your own opt-in pages, anything like that. Awesome plugin. Jump on, sign up as a JV, jump on board, and get your share of that $10,000 prize pool.